The DHL Logistic Center Greven is one of the largest high-performance fulfillment centers in Germany. DHL is a long-standing partner of HSE24, an omnichannel trader specializing in teleshopping and retail via phone and internet. And this is its central dispatch warehouse. A highly effective logistics system is already in place, but DHL continually strives to improve performance. Our initial situation was that we had experienced a drop in performance due to large goods on the existing lines, and so we wanted to process these large goods items on a new line. In 2017, the decision was made to construct a container transport system for a combi pack line with a buffer zone. The fundamental philosophy of FS Solutions is to establish modular systems which can be used to cover a variety of applications. This ties in perfectly with Interroll's products. Delivery time has been a key focus from the start, since we have had to bring together a number of different components. In addition to our own conveyor technology, this included Interroll technology. Everything had to be supplied on time, and ultimately, we were able to keep to schedule. The system is operational 6 days a week for 16 hours at a time. At 6 picking stations, high-volume single orders and mixed orders from high and low-volume goods are processed. Pre-commissioned items are transferred to the packing zone via a container transportation route. A dynamic buffer zone for up to 400 containers is positioned upstream of these picking stations. The system availability comes to at least 98%, with the expandable buffer zone with up to 400 spaces playing a key role. The processes that have been supported by these solutions range from orders of large goods to mixed orders with small items coming from existing lines, as well as the large goods items that are already available. To end this, DHL is using a combination of standard components from Interroll with curved mat chain conveyors from FS Solutions. As the containers make their way to the packing zone, the shipment boxes are prepared in the correct size and provided with a barcode via inkjet printing as they make their way over. Then, at the combi pack workstations, everything is put together. Here, the small volume goods are removed from the containers and packaged in the shipment boxes together with locally supplied volume items. Then the goods proceed to shipment. The packages are labeled, sealed, and fed into the main package stream that flows through to the immediately adjacent DHL packaging center. DHL is very satisfied with the solution. Over the course of my employment, I've completed a number of different projects. This combined project with FS Solutions and Interroll is the best I've worked on so far. Thanks to this perfectly implemented and sophisticated solution, HSE24's customers can count on consistently reliable delivery.